You know, CRBs have become the staple of the carpet cleaning industry. There's hardly nothing better for getting down inside that carpet and digging that hair and that soil out of there, and also suspending your soil with your pre-spray, right? So it just makes your job a whole lot easier. However, what does make your job difficult is when your CRB goes down on you. I want to tell you what, the CRBs have been bulletproof. Generally, whenever there's a problem and somebody calls in, I'll ask them, when's the last time you greased your gears? And you'd be surprised. Well, it's been a couple of years, Rob. Well, I tell you what, that's a problem. You're supposed to grease them every 90 days to 6 months. So I'm going to walk you through how easy it is, and that's going to prevent problems, because what happens is, if you don't grease the gears, it creates a lot of heat in there. The gears get damaged, and the bearings get damaged, and the bushings get damaged. So it is a snowball effect. So take the time, keep these things greased, keep them clean, keep the hair and thread out of there, and it'll last you a long time. Now, before we get started, I'm going to have Ed walk you through it. You notice this side is thinner, and then you notice this side over here is thicker. Well, that's where the plate is. Also, it's on the same side as the on and off switch. Okay, when you lower the handle, that cuts the machine on and off. It is not on the same side as your safety switch. What is the safety switch? Well, we've had guys call up in here who say, oh, my CRB just stopped working on me. And that's really unusual. So the first thing I tell them is, listen, have you checked the safety switch? They say, oh, there's a safety switch? Where's it at? Well, it's on the side of the machine. It's kind of embedded in there, so it's a little hard to see, but just press that, you only start right back up. And it's usually because somebody has picked up some hair, some threads, grabbed a hold of a piece of carpet, it got stuck in there, it stopped the motor. It's a safety precaution. One last thing, you're going to notice the gears in here, all the gears inside of the units, they're nylon. And why are they made of nylon instead of metal? Because if you actually do pick something up in there and you do some damage, instead of damaging the motor, it'll just strip the gear. And they're pretty easy to replace, and watch for a video on that later. But in the meantime, let me have Ed right now show you how easy it is to do in one of our CRBs right off of our truck. I'm telling you what, we've had them on there for years and years and no problems, but we grease them every 3 months to every 6 months. And remember, use white lithium grease. Take a look. Okay, all you need to do is go ahead and get yourself a 4mm Allen wrench or a 25 torch tool, and you're good to go. Hey, you see how simple that was? You know what? Well, I've always said, and you probably heard it said before, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So by taking the time and go ahead and greasing your units, taking care of them, they'll last you a long time. You'll have a lot less downtime. And remember, we're in a race against downtime. So you want to make sure you keep your equipment up and working properly. You can always count on TMF to buy the products, to buy the parts. You go to tmfshop.net, find whatever you need. We can also help you repair them and walk you through any type of situation. I'm Rob Allen with Truck Mount Forums. Hope you enjoyed this video. Psst, guess what? You know, I mentioned the 15, I mentioned the 10 inch. You probably already know there's a 17 and a 20 inch available. Well, guess what? I'm gonna let you know a little secret. There's a 12 inch coming next week. As always, remember we operate on the law of reciprocity. I believe if I help you become successful, you'll help me become successful. And I'm living proof of it at tmfshop.net. So we appreciate you supporting our small family business for all your cleaning needs. On top of it, please take the time to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell. I'm Rob Allen, Truck Mount Forums. Have yourself a great day.